Good morning students. Today we will study the formation of acetylene molecule. Acetylene molecule is sp hybridized. So in the last classes we have seen the example for sp3, sp2 and today we will study the formation of acetylene molecule which is sp hybridized. So we will see the structure of the molecule, the hybridization, how is the orbitals overlapping, how sigma bond is formed, how pi bond is formed. These all things we will see. So we will start with formation of acetylene molecule. This is the structure of acetylene molecule. Acetylene molecule formula is C2H2, 2 carbons, 2 hydrogens. In between C and C there is triple bond. 2 are pi bonds and 1 is sigma bond. And here C-H is sigma bond, C-H is sigma bonds. And these 2 are pi bonds and the middle one is the sigma bond. So acetylene molecule, or it is also known as ethyne molecule, molecular formula is C2H2, hybridization is sp, the bond angle is 180 degrees and the geometry of the molecule is linear molecule. So distribution of electrons in orbitals. So this is the ground state electronic confusion. In the p orbital there are 2 electrons and one of the electron from 2s is going to here 2p, and here now there are 3 electrons, and after hybridization in 2p there are 2 electrons. So this is in ground state and this is excited. After hybridization this type of distribution of electrons is there in the orbitals. So 2 hybrid orbitals are formed, 2 sp hybrid orbitals are formed after hybridization. Sp means 1 2s and 1 2p orbitals hybridized to give 2 hybridized orbitals of equivalent energy. As you know, the definition is the same way 2 hybrid orbitals are formed, both are known as sp hybrid orbitals. So here you are seeing 2s1, 2px1, 2py1, 2pz1, and now after hybridization sp is having 2 electrons each and 2py and 2pz, these 2 are unhybridized orbitals. So we have to remember how many unhybridized orbitals are there. 2py and 2pz are unhybridized orbitals in sp hybridization. So here orbitally we are seeing the shape of the s orbital is spherical and p orbitals are dumbbell in shape. After hybridization they are forming 2 hybrid orbitals. They are of equivalent energy and are of, see you are seeing they are of same size. Here it is rounded and they are dumbbell shape. Now after hybridization they are of equivalent energy. So each orbital will orbital will have only 1 electrons, and these 2 are 2pyz and 2pyz. These are having 1 electron each and they are not involved in hybridization. Now formation of sp hybrid. 2s and 2p hybrid orbitals hybridized to give 2 hybrid orbitals of equivalent energy. This is 2py, 2pz which is unhybridized and not involved in hydrogen bonding. So 2py and 2pz hybrid orbital, 2py and 2pz they overlap to form pi bond, and this here overlapping of sp hybrid orbitals gives rise to the formation of sigma bond. So this is the formation of sigma bond. See, 2 carbons are there in acetylene molecule. This is the 1 carbon sp hybrid orbital, 2 hybrid orbitals, and this is another carbon atom. This is having sp hybrid orbitals. This is 2p. This is the unhybridized orbital. So here formation of sigma bond is there. So one sigma bond is formed by sp, and this is s orbital, and this is sp here and s, and this is sp. So this is the sigma bond. This is the sigma bond sp sigma bond. So this here in this figure we can see the formation of sigma bonds and pi bonds. So sps sigma bond, sps sigma bond, sps sigma bond, sp overlap sigma bond, and this is 2py green color, 2py. This is the pi bond and a red orbitals 2pz. This is also pi bond. So one sigma bond and 2 pi bonds are formed between carbon and carbon atom. So from this figure it will become clear that one sigma bond is formed and 2 pi bond is formed. So once more 2 pi bonds are formed by 2py and 2pz hybrid p orbitals. This is the molecular. So in the examination you have to draw this diagram, molecular orbital diagram for the formation of acetylene molecule. All this diagram which you have seen earlier we have compiled here, and you are getting this type of diagram. See, sp overlap sigma bond, sps sigma bond, sps sigma bond, 2py overlap sigma pi bond, 2pz overlap pi bond. So these are 2pz, these are all pi bonds. So here you are seeing C and C in the middle one, this is the sp overlap sigma bond, 2py overlap pi bond, 2pz overlap pi bond. So this in this diagram you are seeing in acetylene molecule the two carbon atoms are linked by one sigma bond and two pi bond. So one sigma bond is in triple bond, one is a sigma bond and two are pi bonds. So this is the molecular geometry. The molecular geometry is linear. Linear geometry is there. Here this is the carbon atoms, triple bond is there. This is carbon hydrogen bond is there. Carbon hydrogen bond is there. So the molecule will look in this way, and the geometry is linear geometry. Geometry of the molecule is linear. So important points here we are seeing acetylene molecule is sp hybridized and molecular formula is C2H2. In this molecule both the carbon atoms are sp hybridized. So both these carbons are sp hybridized. 3 sigma bonds are formed. Out of 3, 2 sigma bonds are C. 2 sigma bonds are C. So there are 3 sigma bonds totally. 2 sigma bonds are C dash H bond, C dash H bond, C dash H bond, and 1 sigma bond is C dash C. 2 pi bonds are formed between C bond C. 2 pi bonds are there. There is a triple bond between C bond C. Out of 3 bonds, 1 is sigma bond and 2 are pi bond. 1 is sigma bond and 2 are pi bond. Acetylene has linear geometry. The C dash C triple bond length C dash C is 1.20 angstrom, and the C dash H bond angle is 120 degrees, and the C dash H bond length is 1.10 angstrom. So these are the important points to be noted about acetylene molecule. Thank you.